guys, today in this quick video tutorial I'll be showing you how to jailbreak your iOS device to 12.4. This is the newest version of the iOS, and as you can see I already have Cydia installed on my device. I did this really easily using the website ablast.co/Unc0ver, and you can see me type the website right now. Okay guys, once you've typed the website in your web browser, you can see that you need to install this configuration profile in order to actually install the Unc0ver app on your device. Just install the configuration profile and open the app. So guys, once you've installed the Unc0ver app, you can now open it, and as you can see there is a big jailbreak button at the middle. Just click on it and the jailbreaking will start. So guys, as you can see, jailbreaking is almost finished, but in order to complete the jailbreak fully, you need to download and install two applications which will actually inject the Cydia on your device. So guys, just follow the unlock instructions on these two applications and you have Cydia on your device.